Welcome to the ET335 how-to video for our Quartus Graphics Lab 2 to 4 logic circuit. Here we are, Quartus, and we're going to build our 2 to 4 decoder. So let's go to File, New Project Wizard. Next, we're going to call this 2 to 4. And next, we're going to make a file ourselves. Let's use 484, actually Cyclone 2, 484, and this is the one that's used for our board. I don't think it's necessary to use these, the exact ones, since we're going to do a simulation. So first thing let's do is go File, New. We're going to build a block diagram. And let's go ahead and go down from our list to primitives, logic, and 2. And we're going to need 4 of those. Okay, let's escape to get out of that. And we're going to need 2 OR gates, two inverters, which we're going to use, and they're called NOTs. Escape. So we could go over here, 1 over, and inputs, we're going to have 2 inputs. And we're going to have 4 outputs. Okay. And let's go ahead and zoom in here. Good. And I am going to put some text in here, so we're going to find our text editor, and I'll find that later. Anyway, so let's go ahead and connect. And connect these. And let's change the name of this to LED. Let's see, LED 0, LED 1, LED 2, and the last one will be LED 3. Oops. Okay, and this will be A, and this one will be B. Okay, so now we'll go back and refer to our diagram here in order to make all our connections. And let's see here, tools. Nope, still can't find my text editor. Okay, so let's go. The first one, we're going to go to our connection tool, and we're going to go between our first and our third and. Yep. And then we're going to come out from A and grab it. And we're looking for the big dot. And next one, we're going to go from here to the lower one. And that was not good. All right, let's escape. And let's delete all this and try again. Good. And this one is going to connect to our inverter B. Good. And this lower one is going to hook to B. This lower one is going to go all the way up to A. And this last one is going to go to our B also. So okay, that looks good. Okay, I've added my name in here to keep people from re-handing in my work. And I am going to add, I lost one here. Let's see. Right here, our second one over. I'm going to go back to our tool, and this one goes all the way back to A. Okay. All right, let's see if we compile this and see what happens. First thing we're going to do is rename it. File, save as 2 to 4. Good, and then let's compile it. Okay, we're successfully compiled, so let's go ahead and do a waveform. So we're going to do new university, and we're going to go to edit, insert, node finder, list, double arrow, and it is going to populate. A, we're going to do clock and leave it at 10 nanoseconds. We're going to do clock again, and we're going to change it to 20 nanoseconds. And this one we're going to right click, and we're going to change our radix to binary. Radix to binary. Radix to binary. And radix to binary. We're going to go to simulation, options, model sim, and let's do simulation run functional and see what we come up with. And it does not like. So let's go ahead and we're going to change it to our Quartus 2. And that it likes. Good. Okay, here I've expanded. I took a close-up of our waveform by utilizing Control spacebar and then using my snipping tool and cut it out and put it here in my presentation. So what I've done is I've compiled, and what we did is we started off with a binary number 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So these are all the possible codes for 2 inputs. Okay, so when 0, 0, we're going to get LED 0 lit. When we have 1, 0, we're going to get LED 1 lit. When we have 0, 1, we're going to get LED lit. And LED 1, 1, we're going to get LED 3 lit. So this one is correct.